Hello everybody, this is Paul. Today I'm going to be giving a lesson on prime numbers and explaining the conditions that need to be met in order for numbers to be prime. So there's two conditions that need to be met for numbers to be prime. The first condition is that it must be a positive integer larger than 1. So that's pretty simple. The second condition is a little more complicated. When a prime number is divided by a positive integer, the result will only be a positive integer when the prime number is divided by itself and the number 1. So in order to illustrate what that means, I'm just going to go ahead and write down the first few numbers that satisfy the first condition. So the first few numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to go ahead and stop at the number 7. Now, I'm going to tell you right now that 4 and 6 do not satisfy the second condition. And in order to illustrate why 4 and 6 are not prime, I'm going to give a counterexample. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Here's a case where the number 4 is divided by a positive integer other than itself and other than 1, and it still produces the value of a positive integer. 6 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 2 both produce positive integers. Now 3 is not 6 and 3 is not 1, so therefore it contradicts the second condition. By the same means, 2 is not 6 and 2 is not 1, therefore this statement contradicts the second condition. And because of these contradictions, 6 and 4 are not prime. Now 2 and 3 are prime. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. These are the only two equations where 2 is divided by a positive integer and still produces a positive integer. You can't divide 2 by any other positive integer other than itself and other than 1 and still produce a positive integer. Likewise, for 3, the only two numbers that 3 can be divided by to produce a positive integer are itself and the number 1. So hopefully you can see by example how you can tell whether numbers are prime. And if you wanted to just go see a list of all the numbers that are prime, I believe that you could find that on a Wikipedia website. And so if you're interested in seeing more numbers besides the ones I've given you that are prime, go ahead and take a look at that. And basically, I hope through this tutorial that you're able to use the two conditions that I showed you at the beginning and just analyze and see if there's any other numbers that this positive integer can be divided by and still produce a positive integer. And if there is numbers other than itself and 1 that can be divided by and still produce a positive integer, then they're not prime. If they can only be divided by themselves and the number 1 to produce positive integers, then they are prime. So hopefully you can all tell on your own now whether a number is prime or not. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed my video, please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel because I will be putting out more videos in the future. If there is anything specific, any specific subject in math that you would like me to cover, go ahead and let me know and I'll try to get some videos out on that subject. If not, I will just kind of keep working from the bottom and work up. My plan is to go through all of pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, calculus, and beyond. So whatever it is that you guys want to know about math, please let me know and I would love to explain it to you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.